What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix JavaScript error occurred in the main process on and how we can fix it on a Windows. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one, just go over here, search for the settings over here and click on the settings, and right now navigate to apps and now go for installed apps, and right now we need to search here for C++. So just go over here, search for C++, and you can find the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 with redistributable x64, and also you can find with x86. So click on three dot menu over here, and you should be having the folder name over here called modify. Just click on this one, so that go for yes. And right now we need to go for repair. So this particular process is going to take a little bit of time. So what it's going to do is it is going to do a complete repair on an entire folder on your Microsoft Visual C++, and that's what we have to try. So once it's successfully done, you have to do the same over here for the x68, x86 as well. You have to try for both, and once it is done, we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is just go over here, search for the task manager over here, because if the Discord is running in the task manager, most probably you're gonna have the issue. So keep scrolling down, and as you can see, the Discord is running up and running. So right click on this one and go for end the task and remove the Discord. Once the Discord is removed from here, we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about, we just need to go over here. We need to just over here search for and or remove programs and click on this one. Just go over here, instead of C++, we have to search for Discord over here, because the Discord is the reason why we are having the issue in some cases, so we cannot take any possibility. So just go over here, click on this one and go for uninstall and remove it. Now we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about, just go over here, search for the CMD, and we need to run it as an administrator and go for yes. And right now we need to type over here, what we need to do is we just need to type here, we need to type gp update over here. We need to type, put a space / and you have to go for force. And right now we need to press enter, so which is going to update the policy. And once the updating is successfully done, most probably you'll be getting a message over here like the computer policy update has been successfully completed, which means we're fine with it. And once it's successfully done, we just need to close this and go back over here, check what happens with the C++. So right now, once the repair is completely done, they're going to ask you for restart, but since we're in the middle of shooting, I'm going to skip this part, and once afterwards we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the services over here. You have to search for the services and click on the services. And right now we need to go over here, we need to find, or you have to search for quality audio. Just keep searching over here for quality window audio video experience. Right click on this one, go to the properties, make sure the startup type has been set into automatic, and also make sure the service status is running. Now we need to go for OK and close this and move to the next step. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.